So when I am doing energy work for my bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family, you see the flock of birds. When they fly over the cop shop like they are, does not matter where you are at, they are protected. And as you see, birds are all surrounding the cop shop. This is doing energy work. When you work with animals, you can exchange energies with the animals and work with them. They follow you, they help you, and it's also Halloween. So when the birds fly around and they land and they protect the cops, all my bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family, they're clearing the energy in the area. And as you see, the birds fly over me. Thank you guys. So it is done.